If you want to remove objects from a photo on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all we need to open the Photos app. Now in here we need to simply open the photo from which we want to remove something and then edit our photo. So we're gonna tap on edit at the bottom of the screen. In here we need to now go to actions and you should be able to find the magic eraser. We're gonna select it. Wait a couple of seconds. Now over here we should be able to either tap, circle or brush the thing that we want to remove. So let's say I'm just gonna brush this area over here. Let's say I want to remove it from my photo, so let's select it in here. There we go. And once it is highlighted, I should be able to tap on erase to get rid of it. And then wait for the results, which shouldn't take too long. And there we go. Now it is gone. Of course, once you are done with the removal, once you remove everything that you wanted to remove, you can just tap on this check in the bottom right corner. And then we're gonna save our photo as a copy. So tap here in the upper right corner. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.